Hi everyone, Jamie here. I just thought I'd share a useful tip that some of you may not know about and what we do to help keep air circulating throughout the caravan, and it can also sometimes cool the caravan down slightly as well. So first things first, if you head over to your Truma control panel and turn the control panel on just by pressing the center button. And next, if you head over to the section for your hot water and just make sure that the hot water setting is turned off, click the back button, and from there scroll across to the air vent section and click OK. Then you have two options, one vent or one off. So click vent and click OK. Then you can scroll through the different vent settings. So this is basically how powerful the vent or how powerful the air is going to come out. 10 being the highest, so that's the most powerful. All you then do is click the OK button, and if we then come down to our air vents at the bottom, you can hopefully hear the air vents whirling away, helping keep Poppy nice and cool, which is the most important thing. So hopefully you found that tip useful, and of course like, follow and comment for more useful and hints and tips on Poppy's outdoor adventures.